Hello? Yeah,
Is
this is Love Racing, mate. This is Love Racing.
Oh, that focusing is fucking brilliant. Welcome to his... hang on. Oh, there you go. Welcome to what is possibly going to be a video, possibly not. We're on our way today to a... I don't really know what it is. It's sort of a track event. I'm going to get to drive Lew's Civic and Jack's Ibiza, hopefully. It's nice to go to a car event and not have to drive me fucking static Rosa, you know what I mean? Fucking bouncy as shit Rosa. I can drive other people's cars. It's kind of nice to be in the Lexus for once. This car will get the treatment at some point. It's been put on the back burner. I mean, at the same time, the Arosa's been put on the fucking back burner. Life's just got in the way with all this shit. But hopefully, I'm hoping, I'm pretty sure, for my birthday, which is coming up soon, you best remember, I'll be getting some BCs for this, hopefully. So then I just need to source some wheels and some other bits and bobs, and then we'll get the show on the road with this. And in terms of the Rosa, yes, I'm still waiting on the wheel lips. I ordered them in end of October, start of November, I'm pretty sure it was. And it's, as I'm speaking to you now, it's the end of January. So, left my camera in car, didn't I? But we're here. I'm in fucking Lew's Civic. We got Riley behind in the Ibiza. Yeah. We're about to do noise rag. That fucking MX-5 is well loud. Oh, the rear end's loose as fuck.
It's very slippy.
Tyres are cold as well. It's picking that fucking wheel up. Putting in the shift then with handbrake on. Hello. I've got my own mic. Are you seeing this? Of course it is. Fast. Whoa. I've just had a little lap in Jack's Ibiza. Fuck man, this thing is so fun. This thing's awesome. It drives really nice. It fucking cocks the rear wheel up around the fucking hairpin. It's sick. I love it. It's the right amount of power. It's what the Civic needs, this kind of power in it. It'll be on par. The only issue I do have with it is it feels exactly like the Cordoba, where it's got a fucking heavy as fuck clutch. But I mean, look at that. Wide dials. Mad, innit? What I need to do is get the GoPro set up in here. I was gonna do it in the Civic, but I think filming a GoPro lap in this would be so much fucking fun. I'm gonna ask Jack if I'm allowed. Put it on the sunroof as well, it actually sticks. slowly. But fuck, man. And it just sounds awesome. Oh, mate. I'm sure this thing's got 4-to-1 manifold and double cat delete, and I don't know, I think it might have a resonator on it, I'm not sure. But fuck, it sounds good. This thing's awesome, man. I've fucking fallen in love with this car. Fuck off. You can have the Lexus. Huh? Yeah, well, this has been stolen. Go, bro, get right. Let me switch you off. You're still at it. Do you see that middle tyre there? That's got more life left in it than my tyres did on my rush. There's the one there and then one there.
That's an R56.
Yeah.
Which you get Peugeot engines in, which are shit. You've got the original R52s and 3s. They're BMW engines, but they're just shit.
What are you doing?
Don't know, might not even be recording. Tell me nothing to say. Oh, man.